Hello my beautiful friends on the internet. Welcome to my channel and to this video. I am Mandy and this is my channel where I like to talk about things in real life, which is a lot of makeup and makeup panning right now. But if you want to see other things, please let me know. I am open to suggestions on other videos to make. But today we are doing the Love My Makeup project. So this is a project I started to get use on some of my older items or some of my newer items that are being neglected. And yeah, I started it with not having any real idea of where I was going, and I've decided to make it sort of a personal 10-use project where some of my older products I bring in and use them for 10 uses, or newer products. Right now I have something for eyes, face, and lips. So kind of rotating like that. And yeah, pretty chill, no set goals, no end time. If you want to join this project, you are welcome to. I know, oh gosh, I forgot her name. Shelly asked if she could join, and she just posted her first intro. You can use the hashtag lovemymakeupproject. And yeah, it's 3 products, 10 uses, whatever you want. That's it. Rolling style, goes on forever. No end date. So have fun and join in if you want to. If you do join in, let me know in the comments below. Tag me in your video or in your Instagram post, whatever makes you happy. Anyway, to the products I'm working on, which I forgot 2 of. So let me go get them. Okay, that was fun because I sat down and as I was talking to you realized I didn't have actually any of the products. It's like I forgot 2 of them. No, I didn't have any of them. So welcome to the mess. Hot mess that is my life. Okay, I just got done recording another video. You probably saw that yesterday, and I figured I'd go ahead while I'm all made up and everything is ready. I would go ahead and record this, and I totally forgot to grab the products back out. So the products I'm working on right now are from my City Mini palette. This is a palette I want to finish using, or hope to use up in this year. I do have several of the shades in other projects, so let me... I am working on this blue shade right here, and I have used it 4 times this month. I used it 3 times last month, and that is a total of 7 uses so far. So I have 3 more uses before this will roll out. But this is a palette that is older in my collection. It is one of my oldest, if not the oldest palette, and it's got some pans, and I want to get some use out of it and hopefully add it to the finish up this year or finish it next year as a pan this palette. So that's an old product. Now something new is Essence the Blush, and this is in the shade Believing, and this is something new I picked up during the holidays. It is a nice dusty rosy mauve color, and I used it twice this month. I am wearing it today, and I've used it 6 times so far in this project. Woohoo! Yeah. I'm working on rotating 3 different blushes in my projects right now, so this one's getting some use, but not as much as others. It is what it is. We can't help it. And then finally, another new product. This is Maybelline Lifter Gloss. I got this free from the company before I decided to go cruelty-free. Somehow I cut my finger. Okay, we'll have to figure out how I did that later. I've only worn it once this month, and that's today. I have it on top of a ColourPop Lippy Stick in Cami. I have it today. It is the Lifter Gloss in the shade Gold, and I believe this is from their bronzed collection. And I have used it 6 times in this project, so 4 more uses. So nothing rolling out, but we have 6, 7, and 7, 6, and 6 are my usages so far in this project, so slow and steady that next month, hopefully, I will meet my 10 use goal on one of these products, and we can roll something else new in. Yeah, if you want to check out Shelly, gosh, I can't remember the Unapologetically Shelly. Her video, I will have that linked down in the description, and like I said, you are welcome to join us in this crazy little no pressure project if you want. I just use the hashtag lovemymakeupproject, and yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my content, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you, or you will see me, in my next video. Bye.